I'm Annika from Dover Fueling Solutions, and I will talk about wireless connectivity on the forecourt. So now when sites are transitioning to EMV, they need to also meet the new requirements for connectivity on the site and make sure they are ready for Ethernet communication from the dispensers to the store. With the DFS Wireless Connect system, we will enable that EMV data to be securely transmitted from the dispenser to your back office, but also make sure that your forecourt is future-proof for new technologies. DFS Wireless Connect is very quick and easy to install, and you don't really have to worry about old cables or conduits. It's also have a very broad bandwidth for EMV, but also for media and remote diagnostics. And between the two units, you have secure encryption for the data communicated. The system consists of two components, one subscriber unit that goes inside the dispenser, that communicates to the access point that's placed inside the store. These two are paired to create that encrypted data communication. With the system, we also have some options. The options is called the DFS Cleats Converter, and it's a serial to Ethernet communication system if you want to do wireless communication pre-EMV. And this is very beneficial if you don't have enough wires on the site for those new dispensers going in. So DFS Wireless Connect will not only meet today's requirements, but will also future-proof your sites for new technologies.